Maybe it's the vibrant green color. Maybe it's its creamy texture. But there's something undeniably alluring about the avocado. What if one fruit held the secret to better health? In today's video, we'll uncover why this simple fruit is more than just delicious. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that can significantly boost your well-being. Join us as we delve deep into the world of avocados, exploring their journey from tree to table and ultimately discovering why they deserve a place in our daily diets. Let's start with a fascinating fact. Did you know that avocados are one of the oldest cultivated fruits on Earth, with evidence suggesting they were first domesticated in southern Mexico and the Andean region of South America as far back as 5000 BC? Yes, you heard that right. 5,000 years ago. Over the centuries, they spread to other parts of the world, including Central America, the Caribbean, and even Asia. Today, avocados are enjoyed worldwide, not just for their unique taste, but also for the incredible health benefits they offer. But wait, before we dive into those benefits, let's address a common misconception. You might be thinking, wait, avocados are fruits. Well, you bet they are. Each avocado is technically a single large seed surrounded by a nutritious, creamy flesh. And just like other fruits like apples or oranges, avocados develop from the flower of the avocado tree. So yes, nutritionists and botanists alike agree, avocados are indeed fruits. Now that we've established that, let us embark on a visual journey from the sunny groves where avocados thrive to the moment they become a staple on our tables. Imagine lush, sprawling avocado farms bathed in warm sunlight. See how skilled farmers carefully harvest the avocados at their peak of ripeness. Each avocado is carefully selected to ensure it meets the highest quality standards. Then they're gently collected, ready to begin their journey to your kitchen. But here's a fun fact. Unlike most fruits that ripen after being picked, avocados actually continue to ripen off the tree. This means that when you buy an avocado, it's essentially going through its final stages of maturation, transforming into the creamy, delicious fruit you know and love. As we continue our journey, let's explore what makes avocados such a nutritional goldmine. These green, creamy wonders are not only delicious, but also packed with essential macro and micronutrients. Let's break down the nutritional density of avocados. They are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is also found in olive oil. These fats are beneficial for heart health and can help reduce bad cholesterol levels when consumed in moderation. But that's not all. Avocados are also a great source of dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and promoting feelings of fullness during meals. When it comes to vitamins, avocados are a true powerhouse. They are particularly high in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. Additionally, they are rich in vitamin C, known for its antioxidant properties and immune-boosting benefits. Vitamin E is another key nutrient found in avocados, which helps protect cells against damage and supports brain health. Furthermore, avocados are a good source of B6, folate, which is especially important for pregnant women to support proper fetal development. The list doesn't end there. Avocados also contain essential minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and calcium, all vital for maintaining electrolyte balance and proper bodily functions. Now let's take a closer look at some of these amazing benefits. The heart-healthy monounsaturated fats found in avocados can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, decreasing the risk of heart disease. Their fiber content helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels and promotes a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management. The antioxidants in avocados, including vitamin E and lutein, help protect against cellular damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. And let's not forget about their potential anti-inflammatory properties, which may help alleviate symptoms of certain inflammatory conditions. The journey from the avocado grove to your plate is a testament to nature's bounty and the hard work of farmers and agricultural experts who bring this superfood to your table. Whether you enjoy them as guacamole, avocado toast, or in smoothies, avocados are a delicious way to nourish your body and support your overall health and well-being. So, the next time you see an avocado, remember, it's not just a trendy ingredient. It's a gift from nature that can truly make a difference. In the next video, we will discuss some simple and appealing recipes featuring avocados that go beyond the ordinary guacamole. Don't miss out. Stay tuned. And thank you for joining us on this journey to a healthier, happier you. Until then, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos like this one. Stay healthy.